fun and happy random video on Monday. It is Monday and it is indeed random. First, yes, there's construction still going on over there, so just ignore it if they start using a saw. I already did this twice. So, yes. Fabulous earrings that were for people with pierced ears, but now they are clip-on. Love them. And I did use some henna on my hair, so it is slightly darker, which is weird, but I kind of like it. So, living my best life, you know. Next on the list of random, it is so close to Christmas. It's the 16th today. It's bananas. I cannot believe Christmas is so close. I am almost done with all my Christmas shopping. I will just talk louder. Saw. Don't even. I am a loud person. I'll be fine. Yeah, they're putting in houses over there. It's awful. I am not done with my Christmas shopping. I'm not done wrapping. We don't even have a tree. We have a Coca-Cola tree because Mom's obsessed. But we do not have a real tree or a green tree, which is a requirement in my house. So, yes. I've been baking up a storm. And I'm sure you all saw my gingerbread video. But if you didn't, here is the link right here. Click up here. Mr. Saw, you are killing me, dude. Killing me. I was standing over there in the pretty sunlight. I looked gorgeous. And it isn't enough anymore. It's too much noise. I just can't handle it. All right. Moving on. What are you all doing for Christmas? I want to know Christmas traditions. We have changed a lot of ours in recent years. We've tried a couple different things, tried to get new traditions. Some of them have not worked at all. Some of them have worked, and some of them really have not. So yes, tell me some Christmas tradition things that all of you do. And I'm very excited. Yeah, comment below. And if you haven't seen the last scary video, click right here. You're missing out if you haven't. You really need to watch it. And yeah, this was a random video Monday. Short and sweet and full of awesomeness. If you haven't figured out what you're getting everyone for Christmas, go check out my Etsy and my Poshmark. I have some cool things for sale. And you should, maybe think about it. So yeah. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Bye, you guys. Happy Christmas. Stupid construction. Stop it. Stop it. Blah.